friends, welcome to AD's Zyke. So are you guys ready for yet another mouth-watering yummylicious recipe by AD? So let's start making today our very own Bhindi Do Pyaaza. For this we will need, or I have taken 1 pound of bhindi which has been washed, 2 medium-sized onions, 1 tomato, 4 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. So I'll start cutting the bhindi. Let's remove the head and the tail. Make it aside and cut it in small pieces. Okay, after the bhindi is cut, we'll cut the onions into dices. So this is how you do it. Make 3 cuts across, and so your onion should be this way. So these are the diced onions for Bhindi Do Pyaaza. We are not slicing it, we are not chopping it. So 1, 2 and 1 across. So once the onions are diced, now we will finely chop the ginger. And this is how you chop the ginger. The reason I'm using whole ginger and whole garlic is for the flavor and the aroma that it gives. You can also use ginger garlic paste if you have time constraints. And we also chop the garlic, finely chopped garlic. And the last thing to dice is the tomatoes. We'll cut it into half, into quarters, and then just leave it as diced. So let's begin making our Bhindi Do Pyaaza. So for that I have taken a pan. I've put it on a medium to high heat, and now I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Okay, once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds are sautéed, let's add some chopped ginger. Saute it for 30 seconds. Now it's time to add our cut bhindi. Lower the flame to medium and saute the bhindi for a couple of minutes. I will squeeze a half lime or lemon, whatever is available with you. This is a hack to avoid the stickiness of the bhindi. I'm just squeezing some lime juice. So the bhindi is sauteed for a couple of minutes. It's time to add some spices to it. So I will take half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Again, you can add, or you can, based on your spice level, you can add more spice. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. If you can grind a whole coriander seeds into coarse form, that would be great. It gives good aroma and flavor to it. And also I will add some salt to taste. After adding, mix all the spices. After cooking spices for a minute, it's time to add the diced onions and stir it well. The reason I'm adding the onions at the end is because I want to keep the crunch of the onion and not cook it, not fully cook it. It's time to cover this with a lid and let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes. We will now just stir it once while it's cooking under the cover, and this is the time to add the diced tomatoes. Back and continue it cooking for next couple of minutes. To open the lid and give it a nice stir, and you can see our bhindi is cooked. It's soft and nice, and the onions are nice and crunchy. It's not overcooked. Off the flame, I'll add some chaat masala. So the Bhindi Do Pyaaza is ready. Now let's plate it. After serving it in a bowl, let's garnish it with some fresh chopped corianders, and your Bhindi Do Pyaaza is ready to be served. It can be consumed with fresh hot parathas or chapatis. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this video and for your time. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Until next time, bye bye.